In this final video, we're going to learn how to use the Descriptive Statistics tool to find descriptive statistics a lot faster. First, make sure you're on the Data tab, and then click the Data Analysis button. From there, there's going to be a long list of various tools, but we want the Descriptive Statistics option. The reason it's called statistics is these formulas only work for sample data. You cannot use this tool if you have population data. It's only for samples. Once you get here, you can select as many quantitative variables as you want, but they do need to be located side by side, so the columns have to be touching. For example, if I wanted the descriptive statistics for age and years, and for how did you rank the survey, because how you rank the survey is also a numerical value on a scale of 1 to 5, so I could actually get things like the average ranking for the survey and the average age and years, for example, all at once by selecting those two columns. I need to tell Excel that I've selected columns beside each other, so one column is one variable and one column is another variable. That's why this little columns is checked. Also, I need to check the box for labels in the first row because that's where the name of the variable is stored. It's not a number, so whenever you have a variable name selected, you have to check that box. You also have to check the box for summary statistics or nothing will happen. Finally, you may output the results in a new worksheet or in a specific spot. I'm going to place it right here under the previous descriptive statistics I calculated so I can compare. Once you've done that, you press OK. Just going to move this text over to align it on the other side of the cell so we can read it all at once. So the first thing you're going to see is all of the descriptive statistics for age and years. I had that big table in the notes that showed you all of the different descriptive statistics that the tool calculates, but we've got the mean, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the variance, and the range. All of the ones we had to calculate using 6 separate formulas up here, they give them to you automatically. They also have things like the total number of values, the count of 30, the sum of all the ages, the maximum and minimum age. In this course, we won't learn about kurtosis and skewness, so you can ignore those ones. But not only did we get it for age and years, because we selected the column for how you feel about completing the questionnaire, we can see that most people said 5. The middle value was 4. The average was a rating of 3.766667. The range in differences of scores was 4. The standard deviation was 1.48 approximately. So we're able to get all of these statistics at once, which can really speed up the process. So I do encourage you to use the Descriptive Statistics tool because it is simple and fast to calculate all of these things when you have sample data. Just remember, it cannot be used for population data.